Hello everyone and welcome to the Gearbox Mod Spotlight. This is my second try at it. Now I'm a little bit more planned. So first of all, if you want to begin in that mod, you can craft the tome of gearboxing, and it has some basic story. I need to fix that. Basic storytelling about the mod, and also it lists the fuel types that you can use, as you can see. First of all, you will need to craft the gearbox crafting table, which is crafted like so. Then you're gonna put gears in a pattern, which you can put any pattern you want, except the trains need to be connected. Here you have a small helping tab, but I'm gonna explain everything in details. So you have to put first of all an input shaft, then or an output shaft, then you can connect your gears. You do not have to connect them, but it's best to. Then you're gonna run some gears. Gears need to be connected. A connection can be made in the 8 slots around the gear. When a gear is having a connection, a special connection, which means it has more than 2 gears. So for example, this one has only 2 gears, while this one has 3 gears connected to him. So this one will have its output divided by 2 and its efficiency put at the power of 2. So basically the efficiency is counted 2 times. This wasn't the case previously. It was a miscalculation, but now it's fixed. Added in this version is MFR, which I don't think is really stable, but you can still try it. TE and Blood Magic implementation. If you want to know more about this, you can check out the main topic. Now I had some suggestion from an awesome guy, which name is theflogat, which is written ZEETH_KIYRAH. He suggested some stuff. Now later, to craft, now that you have your pattern, you can craft the gearbox by applying a redstone signal and having a chest nearby. If you break the chest, it will spit out the item. So yeah, the gearbox is here. Now as you can see, it has a really high efficiency. So for example, if the thing was only 1 tick, then with this efficiency it would be 638 ticks. Do you know that efficiency does not apply on water? Okay, so later there will be a way to uncraft gearboxes, but this is not implemented as it requires some more networking. So you have 4 types of input shafts: combustion, liquid combustion or hot liquid, coolant, and reaction. Coolant runs on cool liquid, a reaction from a liquid and something that makes the liquid react, of course. This is hot liquids such as lava, and combustion, for example blaze rods or other types of things. Now moving on. Once you have crafted your gearbox, you can apply it to a dynamo. to apply it to a dynamo, which is by the way crafted like this, and this is crafted like so and so. The recipes might change until I get some more balance into the mod. Now I've duplicated the gearbox to show you something. When you place a gearbox inside of a thing, it's in there, and now it tells you in the tooltip 175 RF per tick. So if you want to say you had another gearbox and you want to apply it, you can simply right click it and then it will change the gearbox. Now they are the same, so this isn't easy to see, so I'm gonna get rid of this one and I'm gonna make another one. So as you can see, this one is 3.4 efficiency, and when I right click it, it exchanges the two ones. So here we go. That was all about this. Now dynamos. Dynamos cannot output directly to a conduit, but they can output to a storage device. Any type of storage device from any mod does work. It even works if you put a machine next to it, because the machine is considered as an energy input. So here we have a combustion one. So as soon as I put that, this will input blaze rods, and as you can see, one blaze rod runs for really long because it's a really efficient gearbox. Now here is a water one. So let me disable this one. As you can see, this is now full. This is saying 4 RF because this one is not accepting the 4 RF. It's waiting for more. So as you can see, this produces 382 RF per tick. That means each tick, it will, as you can see, water is 1 tick and is not affected by efficiency. So each tick, it will produce 382 RF. Then if the next tick it has water, then it's going to produce at 382 RF. But if it hasn't, it will just wait for it. So as soon as I put that, as you can see, it's not flat 382 RF a tick, but it's 382 RF a tick and 382 RF a tick each time it receives 1 bucket of water. Yep. So is this it? Let me check my list. Alright, that's about it. Last thing I need to talk about is recipes are temporary. I know they are really expensive, but they are very temporary. There's a config option to allow other mods gears, but this breaks a little bit balance. I need to sort that out, but I haven't yet figured out a way. This guy on the Minecraft forum, which I mentioned earlier, has made some awesome had some awesome ideas, and I might and I will implement some of them, which I think are really cool. If you want a detailed list of fuel and everything, this book updates with the mods you have. Because for example, if you have blood magic, then it will tell you here that a bucket of blood is worth, I need to find how much it's worth, 60 seconds, like 1 full minute, 1 full blown minute without any efficiency modifiers. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope you've enjoyed this mod by applied, and be sure to check the link to the Minecraft forum thread, and yeah, go check this mod out. See you next time. Bye bye.